Welcome to Artech. Today we are going to see one of the most commonly asked Java interview question in each and every experienced interview. The person who worked on Java 8 features. That is, what is the difference between stream and parallel stream? In this video, we'll see the differences in practical way, and at last we'll discuss when to use stream, when to use parallel stream. Let me create a list of integers. I'm adding some values to it by using arrays.asList method. This method, what it does, whatever the values we pass into this method, it will add these values into a list. It will return a list. Let me input some values. And we'll take two long variables for calculating the time. Let me calculate the time while starting by using system.get current time in millis. Current time in millis. So it will return what is the current time in millis. Let me iterate all the values of a list of numbers by using stream method first. For each, what it will do, it will take each and every value and it will give us one by one. Let me take a lambda expression and I'm using sysout to print the number and thread name, which is currently used for printing this list of numbers. Number thread dot current thread dot get name. This gives me the current thread name which is using for printing these values, and at last we'll calculate the time. Let me print the time taken first. Using stream method. Start. Let me read the values using parallel stream method as well. So I will copy whatever required here. Let me execute and discuss what are the differences between these two methods. Run as Java application. Parallel stream. Here you can see the stream method using only one thread, that is main, and it is printing in a sequential order 1 2 3 5 6 7 8, as we have taken 8 values in a list. So on the time it is taking around 251 milliseconds, and here it is using multiple threads from multiple processors. Here you can see the output is not in a sequential way, hence we cannot see the values of order of execution in a sequential way. It is like it will take the random value, because it is taking use of multiple threads from multiple cores, so we cannot maintain the order of execution, and it is taking less time as compared to stream method. It is taking 251 milliseconds for 8 records. At the same time, parallel stream is taking 9 milliseconds for reading the values, 8 records from the list. You won't see much differences, as I have taken only 8 values. If you want to check with the huge values, I mean 100, 200 or 1000 values, you can practice. You can write a program, and you can check how much time it is taking in a stream method and parallel stream. These are the differences, guys. Like in a stream method will preserve the order, and here only one thread can read all the values present in the list, and it is taking much time as compared to parallel stream. Here in a parallel stream we cannot preserve the order of execution, because it is using multiple threads from multiple processors, so hence it is not printing in a sequential way. And when to use what? So if the order is required, and in real-time scenario I can say, like if you are working with the sorting mechanism, then you can prefer the stream method. And if you don't want in a sequential way, like apart from sorting or any other techniques, if you want to get only output from back end to front end, then you can use a parallel stream, because it will take less time as compared to stream method. That's it, guys. Please like, share, subscribe our tech channel, and hit the bell icon to get more videos on Java interview questions and answers, as well as programs.